Last weekend, I got this amazing, unexpected haul of activities and crafts for the kids to do. I can't even believe it. The price that I paid, you will not believe, and where I got them from. So cool, but you have to watch until the end of the video to find out that information. But you're gonna wanna know because it is so cool. All right, let me show you what I got. First, we are currently learning about dinosaurs. So I was so excited to get this. This is Dig It Up. I will link all of these resources that I can find down below in the description. This is so cool. The kids have had so much fun with it already. I let them dig into it really quickly. While I am reading our dinosaur research unit, they're able to kind of be their own little paleontologist and figure out what dinosaur is inside of these eggs. This is really cool. Would I have paid full price for them or not? I'll put that here once I see what the full price actually was, because I did not pay full price, but super cool. I'm really thankful that we have it. Again, with the dinosaur thing, I found this piñata. I have it up on our board, and at the end of our dinosaur unit, we will break into this piñata as a little celebration. When we were doing our Middle Ages unit, I really wanted to get something like this or this, the stepping stones that you can like put your handprint or footprint in, and then jewels, along with like this mosaic cactus, because we were learning about mosaics. We were learning about these different that people used during the Middle Ages, but I didn't have the money to do it. I don't do a lot of hauls. I try not to spend a lot of money because we are a single income family, and so things like this aren't always a possibility, and sometimes we have to just set some things aside. So this was really cool to be able to find these things. I just wanted to add in that if you can't afford things while you're doing a lesson, even though it would fit really great, don't worry, just keep an eye out for when you can get it for a deal, because it makes for excellent review later on too. You don't need to just do it all right then. You can always come back to it later after you found that really great deal. I've had this happen on several occasions, and it's a really great way to review. Now, I have 4 boys, so the bath bombs, we'll see how that goes, but really they can make these for their grandmas or for friends, along with this latch kit. I've been wanting to get them a latch kit. Our kids really enjoy doing crafts and handicrafts, little hobby things. This is not the latch kit that I thought I would get for my boys, but I couldn't pass up the deal, so I went ahead and got it. They'll be able to do this for a friend and then see if it is something that they would like to try more. We'll get a different one if they want to. Sand art, of course. What kid hasn't done sand art, or what adult hasn't done sand art when they were a kid? I didn't actually know if I would ever get this for my kids, even though it is fun. I think they will have a lot of fun doing it. I didn't know if it would be something that I wanted to really invest in, so this was the perfect way to get it. A kite. This is a Transformers kite. Even though they're cheap and they break every year, it's something you kind of have to do, right? This has been a big hit. I actually have it out of the box because my kids already put it up on a window upstairs in their room. It's so fun for them. It's got the balls with the little Velcro? Yeah, Velcro, and they've been having a lot of fun playing with it. And on the back side, there's other points that they can be getting as well. This has been fun for them already. It came with a dart gun too. Okay, I did actually look up the price of this already. It's $10, and I would highly recommend it. Think of like church quiet time activities or things in the car. It is magnets that you try to figure out how to make the different shapes. And it starts with like green being your starter, and then junior, expert, and master level. And one of my twins, 7-year-olds, and I sat yesterday and tried to do a whole bunch of these together. Some of them are really tricky, but what a great way to work their brain to be trying to make all these different images, and then you can come up with your own thing too. I just think that this is really cool. I love finding different things that they can do to really work out their imagination, to sit quietly even and listen to what's going on. This will be great in the car or on a plane or anything like that. $10, so worth it. Food toys have always been a big hit in our family, especially for having other families come visit. They're a gender neutral kind of a toy. This one has all of the like elf fudge cookies. How fun and cute. So that's just an extra little add in there, along with, we got some coloring pencils. We got, what is this? Play-Doh bath soap. I don't know. Sounds like a fun bath time though. The drones are already out of their box because my son had to open it right away. He's had a lot of fun with these. Let me know in the comments, do you let your kids purchase drones and RCs? I don't like them. I think they waste batteries. I think they're a waste of time. They really drive me nuts. But my boys love getting them, and so they're allowed to ask for them for like their birthday or other things, or get them in a deal like this. This is a mosaic thing that we did before, not this one. We have the space paint by stickers, and so you have this here. Can you see that? All right, and it is like a paint by number stickers. Oh, goodness, child. It's a paint by number stickers, and so at the back are all of the stickers, and you put them where they belong, and then it looks like these really cool mosaics. This is one for a unicorn. It's a bit more girly. We'll probably end up giving this one away as a birthday present to one of my friends. This is the kind of birthday presents I love for my kids to get or to give to my friends' kids, because again, it's something where they're actually working to get things very precisely where they belong, and then it comes out with these really cool images. We actually have a family in church that uses these during church, and then they give away the picture that they put together at the end of the service. My kids have received a couple of those and had a lot of fun with it. Now, this was such a find. I actually have quite a few other books from the series, but we don't have the Christmas Promise, so I was really excited to see it. Okay, that's it. Now, how much did I pay and how did I get all these things? $20. $20 for all of this. Can you even believe it? I couldn't believe it. So what happened was a friend of mine called and said, Abby, you have to go to this yard sale. It's incredible. And I rushed over, and how these people do it is they somehow have the hookup with a company or a business or something that's getting rid of all of their dented boxes. And so like you can see, there's like some denting here, some scrape ups. It's really not bad at all. And then they buy a whole pallets of these things. Maybe they're returned items or whatever. They're all unopened though. And then they just say $20 a box. A box. This box is huge. I paid $20 for whatever I could fit in this whole box. Obviously, you might not be able to find this kind of a deal, but it was a yard sale. I thought yard sales were dead. I was wrong. There are still fantastic ways to get things for your family to do over the school year, over the summer. I have how to get free books as well as free summer activities for your kids. These are 2 videos you are going to want to watch. Make sure to subscribe so that you never miss another video sharing how to do affordable homeschooling for your family.